In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to glitch vocals in BandLab. By the end, you'll know how to turn a clean vocal into a creative, choppy, digital-sounding texture using only BandLab's built-in tools. Start by opening your project and loading the vocal you want to work with. You can record directly in BandLab or import an existing file. Give it a quick cleanup so the glitch moments stand out clearly. Trim any dead space at the start and end, tighten breaths if they're distracting, and make sure your levels aren't clipping. If you want to play boldly without losing the original, duplicate the vocal track so you have a safety copy to compare against later. Now let's sculpt the glitches with effects. Click your vocal track, open FX, and head to pitch/modulation. A pitch shifter or robotizer is perfect for abrupt mechanical movement. Try jumping an octave up or down for a beat or two, then snap back to normal. Short, extreme moves in small sections create stutter-like moments without muddying the entire performance. Keep an eye on the mix or wet-dry control so the pitch effect blends rather than taking over. Next, search for stutter or gate in the FX browser. Stutter repeats tiny slices of your vocal. Gate chops the sound rhythmically. Adjust the rate to set how fast those slices happen and use the depth or mix to decide how much of the original signal remains. For musical results, match the rate to your song's tempo and automate the effects mix so it only kicks in on keywords, transitions, or fills. That contrast is what makes glitches feel intentional. For a crunchy digital breakup, add a bit crusher or distortion from the distortion bit crusher section. Lower bit depth or sample rate gradually until you hear that pixelated edge. Small moves go a long way, so start subtle and increase until the texture enhances the groove without overwhelming it. Use the output level to avoid clipping and toggle the effects bypass to A/B your changes. Finally, enhance movement with delay or reverb that includes modulation. Short delay times with low feedback can create abrupt, echoing tails that accent your glitches, especially on ends of phrases. A touch of modulated reverb adds shimmer to the chopped moments. Keep these effects quick and controlled so they support the glitch rather than washing it out. As you work, reorder your FX to hear different flavors, automate on-off at the moments you want impact, and compare to your clean track. With these tools, you'll craft precise, musical glitches that energize your vocal and elevate your mix.